Fireworks go all week. They bought too many after Christmas. The choir says they'll accompany for as long as we need it. Maria tries to tell him to join her at the railing and to stop painting oil fields, but he says that's all he's feeling. So Maria tells the counselor, I don't think this will work, but I'm trying again, and I'm trying as hard as I can. The crows nested in a beehive got stung 1,000,000 times. The doctor scanned his insides but couldn't see his minds. The Greaterville tree is traumatized but can get away from the hangings. The homeless gang holds up a sign, but only traffic lights are changing. A man moving train tracks puts a notice to his work. Now he's trying again, and he's trying as hard as he can. The man is late to his health test. He's busy watching water drain. He says he likes her memory best, 'cause she calls him by his old name. He brushes his gums to remember when his teeth hadn't fallen out, and wishes his dreams hadn't made him get sick in his mouth. So Maria looks at him sadly, puts a notice to her work. Now she's trying again, and she's trying as hard as she can.